So, hi. So today I have a Roomba, but it's a Roomba 6 plus, and I like these two buses. They're so cool because they have these on there. So these things go like this, His like this. Like this, because they weigh so much. So when I weigh these buses, waiter and this robot and this filter and this one and this filter and this thing and this thing and these.
You gotta tell us what those are. What are they?
These?
What you said? Just this thing. What are these things? What are they called?
This?
Yeah.
This is the dirt bin.
The dirt bin?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
So I have a Roomba, I weigh this later, and this one, but I weigh this right now, and my sister weighs them, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. But now the charger is too heavy, and it just opens. So it's just bad, but it doesn't work, so it broke. But it's okay. Do you have a pet, or do you have a cat or a dog? But let me know on the comments from below. It then smash the like button, the squash button, and then
Smash the subscribe button.
yeah.
Okay.
And do the thumbs down, and then
Okay. Is
So-
that good?
So here.
Okay, that's it.
No, that's not.